guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making red pea soup and my choice of meat is pigtail. You will need 2 pounds of pigtail, Grace cock soup, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, pimento seeds, pumpkin, Irish potato, dry red kidney beans, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to start by boiling my pigtail for a total of 3 times. Make sure each time you are changing the water and adding fresh water to your pigtail because you want to reduce the salt. I also have my dry red kidney beans boiling in about 2 cups of water. I'm going to boil my red kidney beans until they're soft. So in the meantime, I'm going to start by preparing my ground provision. I'm going to peel my pumpkin and my Irish potato, and I'm going to start on making my spinners. Like I mentioned before, I have already gone ahead and started boiling my peas. Depending on how soft your peas is, this might take 10 to 15 minutes to boil. I do recommend soaking your peas in water with a few garlic cloves from the night before. Once your peas is soft, go ahead and add all your ground provisions, your pumpkin, Irish potato, and your spinners that you have previously made. Allow this to cook for about 5 minutes, then add your pigtail. I have gone ahead and chopped my pigtail into smaller pieces before adding it to my soup mixture. Once added, go ahead and add all your plant-based seasonings. So you're going to add your chopped onions, your scallion, thyme, garlic, pimento seeds, and your Scotch bonnet pepper. Mix thoroughly and allow to cook for 10 minutes. Now you're going to add your cock soup mixture. Now I am not going to be using the noodles, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my strainer, pour my cock soup mix into the strainer and sift, because I don't want the noodles. Once this is complete, allow your soup to get thick and all your flavors to be combined and cooked thoroughly. I would recommend tasting as you go. If you feel the need to add seasonings, you can add powder seasonings to this. I wouldn't recommend adding salt because your pigtail will bring out that salt flavor in your soup. And once your soup is cooked to the thickness that you like, then you are all done. This video was super quick, super easy. I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, don't forget, I will have everything in this video, ingredients and steps provided down below so you guys can follow along while in the kitchen making this recipe. Bye!